Good morning, everyone. Welcome to StockMarketFunding.com. SMF Street is launching its brand new direct access market maker trading platform. Was designed mathematically with very intensive ratios right at the price. This platform has the gauges that stock market funding designed called the SMF brain. So I'm going to go right over here. I'm going to click on the brain, and right here is our pricing mechanism that we trade. And it's all mathematical relative to your normal stock prices over here. That's your general public market. This is a market maker platform. And the brain is very good about ratios at price failures and when prices are made. And they can simply click the brain switch down here. They've got these gauges that StockMarketFunding.com wrote its own proprietary mathematical black box with the actual complete charting packages based on something that's never been seen in the industry. So we all know that a direct access trading platform is simply no more than a data provider. Doesn't make you money. This one is not sold to the public. One of the things that I'll do, just to kind of give you a little round trip overview here, is that it also has a very built-in voice activated command center. Down here you'll have a whole history of actual SMF command alert center, and based in our market maker pricing mechanism, because we are specialists in stock exchange pricing mechanisms, and we're very specialized in the actual consumer or public behavioral transactions. The beautiful thing about this is that this is on Apple computer, but in our system I can see we developed our own intraday range percent. There are 6 indicators that are built in there in this one reading. And basically every one of the things that we had built mathematically that work 100%. And if you see the video, you can have all the opinions you want. I would say that you would want to come and join the free 5-day trial, because the only people that will ever get access to the trading platform, this one here, it's a market maker platform. And it's a total different way of doing business. And basically, so all of the alerts are here that went off. They're all voice activated. The Delta lines is the SMF. So SMF developed its own pricing mechanism with inside the public market, which is called the stock exchange. So what we did was that for the people that are trading our capital, is that what we needed to do was, and I have to pull this back over here in the video, what we did was that we incorporated the SMF brain. And basically teenies mean a certain amount of thing, dollar movement. The ratio spread is our own bid and ask ratio spread, so that we know when to be long and when to be short. That's our own indicator up here, folks. The bid and ask, well, that's just your regular stock market print. We're not trading that stock market print here in this black box. And our charting app is one of the best. It's all mathematically designed, and it takes and pinpoints up prices going up and prices going down. It's used for trading options. It's used for everything. It's got everything priced in it. And basically we have taken 30 years of back testing, and we have finally got where we can pinpoint prices to the penny. Those lines that you see in here is exactly our mathematical equations. So I go 3, 6, 9 up, take a profit, and I go back down, I take a profit. If I want to show you the full chart here for the day. Each one of these lines are mathematical lines called the SMF market making prices. So what we did was market makers on the floor specialists, the public, you name it, it doesn't matter. What SMF did do with this brain is these are our prices. We're not trading stock market prices that you see over here. The stock market price prints what's in the brain. Relative to the stock market funding has created its own exchange, its own pricing mechanism exchange. Every risk component is built in this wonderful area right here. And what these mean: trading negative ratios, selling short positive ratios. Everything is very ratio designed to the stock market price as to going long, going short, buying puts, buying calls, anything that you want to trade. These are all of our proprietary mathematical patent indicators. And basically, when you're going to short a stock down, so an SMF market maker is using the SMF market maker platform, and they're shorting down 3,000 shares and make money that way. They want to flip this move over here to 3,000 shares or buy calls going up. The brain will tell them to go up. When our intraday range right here, the SMF intraday range, has 6 indicators built in it. You got your minute period moving average, a 10 and a 20 built in it. You've got your RSI built in it, your percent DS, your percent DA. You've also got all of your other type of indicators like the MACD, MACD, and the CCI is all built. So we took all the other standard public chart, whatever they wrote books on, and the people that wrote them mathematically and designed them, I couldn't care less. That doesn't do us any good. If it did a lot of good out here, then the people would be making a lot of money. And the thing of it is, this is a market maker pricing mechanism based on ratios that are buying negative and taking them up. I'm not going to go into everything. You can join our free 5-day trial. Like I said, another thing that we have over here is we got all of our pricing mechanism built in here relative to 248.35 on Apple right now. And we have puts on Apple because what the brain said was that we were very weak. We were very weak. And the brain intraday range is falling, and we're falling in price. And our ratios that we trade from the price, we trade the ratios that go in our direction. And we make a lot of money. And we're trading all of this. It's new. It's something no one's ever seen. I designed it for stockmarketfunding.com. All of these things down in here automatically build out my 10-minute. That VO1 is what the candle was worth. There's your percent DS, MACD, MA20, MA10. There's the volume. There's the close, lows, high. You got it all, even to the time. Over here, I'm going to go back to the alert, though. I want to show you something cool. In this alert system, which is going to be ultimately the SMF Market Maker Command Center, which everyone will get their entries and exits, and every one of those stockmarketfunding.com market makers will be using our complete built-in mathematical market maker pricing system relative to the stock market. SMF made its own stock exchange, people. It did. I know that might be hard for you to interpret or even begin to understand, but I can tell you one thing, and I will tell you one thing. It's 100% accurate on the short. It's 100% accurate on the long. It's 100%. Down here in the voice command, I've got all kinds of voice alerts. Apple, MA10, cross down, MA20, right there, or at times. So basically, I'll do another video, but I'm very excited about how this will be called the SMF Market Maker Command Center. I make money going up. I make money going down. I buy calls.